Hey there, fellow manifestors. Have you ever stumbled upon the incredible teachings of Neville Goddard and his life, transforming manifestation technique? Well, get ready, because today we have something truly powerful in store for you. Introducing the 3-minute manifestation technique, a game changer that has been shaking up the world of manifestation for years. And let me tell you, it is one of the most effective techniques out there for unlocking your manifestation power and aligning with your desires in just 3 short minutes. In this exciting video, we're going to dive deep into this technique and show you step by step how to unleash your inner manifestation powerhouse. We'll explore why the 3-minute manifestation technique is so effective and how it can help you align your thoughts and beliefs with your desires. But that's not all, my friends. We won't stop there. We'll also delve into the power of breathwork, affirmations, and visualization for manifestation. These are the key elements that will supercharge your manifestation practice and help you become a master of your own reality. So if you're ready to step into your power and start manifesting your deepest desires, then this is the video for you. Don't waste another moment doubting your abilities or wondering how to bring your dreams to life. We're here to guide you through the process and give you the tools you need for success. But here's the best part. You don't need hours of meditation or complicated rituals. With just 3 minutes a day, you can unlock the immense power within and manifest a life of abundance and fulfillment. So buckle up, my friends, because this is going to be an incredible journey of self-discovery and manifestation. Get ready to tap into the limitless power of the 3-minute manifestation technique and make your dreams a reality. If you're as excited as I am, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We have plenty more manifestation tips, techniques, and inspiration coming your way. Welcome, my friends, to a world of infinite possibilities. Let's do this. The first step in Neville Goddard's 3-minute manifestation technique is to create a quiet and comfortable setting where you can relax without any distractions. Find a place where you feel relaxed. Close your eyes so that external visual stimuli don't interfere with your focus, and turn your attention inward. Take a few moments to release any tension or stress by bringing awareness to your body and consciously relaxing each muscle from head to toe. The second step is taking 30 seconds for deep breaths while focusing on inhaling positive energy and new possibilities with each inhalation, while exhaling doubts, fears, or limitations on each exhalation. This will help clear out anything that may hinder the manifestation process. Step 3 consists of setting intentions for what it is desired to manifest, picturing what it looks like in detail mentally, specifying feelings associated with achieving this goal, providing reasons why these goals are attainable, supporting evidence towards accomplishing them. In the last step, maintain clarity by avoiding dwelling on doubts related to goals being met, but rather crystallize belief system around such dreams becoming reality, even if existing circumstances appear contrary. Doing this throughout the day for 21 days straight will solidify the intent behind stated objectives, making way for their fruition over time, given sufficient specific actions taken. By using visualization techniques such as imagining a detailed picture of what success looks like, along with feeling associated emotions, when the idea becomes reality, one can guarantee their success. With this technique, you can use breathwork, affirmations, and visualization to bring your dreams into reality in 3 minutes or less. To begin the 3-minute manifestation technique, start with slow, deep breathing to create a sense of calm and relaxation. As you focus on your breath, allow yourself to be present in the moment. This will help set an intention for what you are trying to manifest. The second step is introducing affirmations into your practice. Affirmations are positive statements that reflect what you want out of life. They will help reprogram your subconscious mind so that it aligns with your intention or desire. Speak these affirmations out loud before beginning the visualization process as a reminder of why it is important for your goal or desire to come true in your life. The third step involves using visualization techniques to bring your desired outcome alive. Engage all senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and emotions associated with fulfillment while radiating emotions connected to success such as joy and pride. Choose something tangible and realistic yet unique to you. Create detailed scenes from sights, sounds, and smells during visualization. Maintain belief and conviction when reciting affirming statements and visualizing. Finally, maintain focus on your goal or dream throughout the visualization practice. By combining slow, deep breaths, affirmations, and vivid visualization, this three-step manifestation process allows for effective determination of successful outcomes achieved through practice over time. Stimulating both conscious thought and subconscious action helps bridge reality and dreams, making achievement either tangible or attainable, depending on one's interpretation. By connecting breathwork, affirmation phrases, and visualization scenes to form a complete 6-minute cycle, you can actuate your desired outcome successfully, leaving you feeling empowered by having created your own world. This technique is easy to follow and can help you unlock your manifestation power in just 3 minutes. With this technique, you can transform your life and achieve success in any area you desire. It's important to take note of any shifts in beliefs or external environment indicators that arise during the practice, as they signify progress towards manifesting desires. Celebrating each manifestation, no matter how small, will further amplify positive energy momentum for continuing manifestation success. Remember, my friend, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. By combining breathwork, affirmations, and visualization, you have the ability to tap into your immense manifestation potential and create the life you've always envisioned. Don't underestimate the power of just 3 minutes, so don't wait any longer. Start implementing the 3-minute manifestation technique today and witness the magic unfold in your life. Commit to practicing daily and stay consistent in your efforts. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and watch as your dreams come true. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey into the world of manifestation and the 3-minute manifestation technique with Neville Goddard. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to unlock your manifestation power and bring your desires into reality. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By being part of our community, you'll receive regular updates, techniques, and inspiration to support you on your manifestation journey. Now it's time to take action and make your dreams a vibrant reality. Remember, you have everything within you to create the life you desire. Believe in the power of the 3-minute manifestation technique and watch as the universe aligns itself to support you every step of the way. Thank you once again for joining us. Wishing you an abundance of manifesting success, fulfillment, and joy. Harness the power of the 3-minute manifestation technique and create the life you deserve. Your dreams are waiting for you, my friend. Go out there and make them come true. Stay blessed and keep manifesting. God bless.